Good morning, everybody. So today, Doug and I will be having our couple day. It's not a date, but we are going to go around. So first, we're going to go to our house, and then after that, we have a meeting with our business partners. So we'll show you what a day is like when we are busy and not dating and just adulting. So, see you in a bit.
Raining!
It's raining, man! Hallelujah! It's raining, man! It's umuulan. Basang-basa sa ulan! So, we're gonna give you guys a short tour. So, we are already here at our site, our new home. That is our new home. This is the steps going into our new home. This is the receiving. This is the kitchen area, dining area. Yan, the dining area.
Spread and very high ceiling, as you can see.
Okay, can I see? High ceiling. Kili power. Dirty kitchen. Gym over there.
Special sa amin ng mga
Helpers
ate-yayas namin. So this is their common room. So they'll have a dining, they'll have a sala, aircon.
This is the swimming pool area. This is my office. Still being fixed. This is Doug's office. How, babe? Magkahawak ang ating kamay.
This is the music corner.
Of Kendra, Scarlett, and Gavin.
My control room for my cinema. This is my cinema. Compared to our current house in where we live now, parang comfortably you can only sit 8. Ito siguro you can sit between 16 people, 20 people.
We are here now at the classroom of Kendra and Scarlett. So just in case I decide to homeschool, I am prepared. Who's the busiest most of? I am so busy. Walang kwenta. What else, handsome? Yuck.
This is our loft area.
Our loft area.
So this is gonna be all glass when you enter the house.
Okay. So you're gonna...
This is loft, and then you look up, that's the family area.
Wow, so high. I'm so scared.
We're in the family area right now.
This is the loft. Nakakatakot.
You're walking from the family area, you walk in the hallway. Then we have Gavin's room.
So this is the view from Gavin's room. It's coming together right now. And then this is
Stock room. Guest room 1. Guest room 2. Yeah.
So why do we have guest rooms?
Because we have lots of friends who love to stay with us.
And family.
And family.
Correct. So this is the room of Kendra and Scarlett. So this is their bedroom. There. And then this is their walk-in. This is their banyo. So a lot of people ask us, why do Scarlett and Kendra have to share rooms? Well, reason being is because if one is sad, the other one can make sumbong. So there's an accountability partner with everything. And knowing Gavin, he will always stay with his sisters. Kasi silang tatlo lang naman eh. Hi, I have a question. Can you come closer? A very serious question. You think after this, our kids will want to grow up and get married? Answer me.
No comment.
Adulting life is real. I'm the only one who's not adulting here because I like it that way. What's this? Kabayang buntis?
It's our balcony. Massive balcony. All of this will all be our memory wall. This one. Take pictures.
So, we are now heading
to the
masters. This is her master's bedroom. So this is our view.
Yeah,
We're so high.
so that's it. This is our dream house, not just for Jessica and I, but even for the kids.
More so for the kids.
Yeah, we haven't even shown you guys the tree house.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be really exciting, and hopefully end of the year this will be done, but we'll see.
Yeah. So, see you again next time. We'll show you again with more improvements in our house. See you again next time.